So I'm going to troubleshoot this little path light. Shouldn't be a lot to it. You have a solar panel, you've got a switch. Somewhere here or here there's a battery that the solar panel charges, and then you got a LED light. Somewhere that I'm not seeing, possibly a dawn to dusk sensor, which I don't even see that right now. So we'll take it apart and see what's wrong. I'm going to start by taking out these 4 Phillips head screws, seeing what's behind there. Okay, here right away we have a loose wire, and look at that, lights. So that was almost too easy. Make sure you can see. Loose wire needs to be soldered. It was never ever soldered on there. So we'll solder that wire on and that light will be fixed. Okay, we get the soldering iron lit, we get it tinned. We'll put a little solder here on this tab. Put a little solder on the wire. We will hold the wire onto the tab. We will there you go. Problem solved.